Okay, Maria is making apple pies for a party. She bought 3 bags of apples. Each bag has 12 apples. She needs 8 apples to make each pie. Okay? What is the greatest number of pies Maria can make? Show your work and explain your answer. Okay, that's the first question. All right, and then look, there's another question. There's 2 of them. How many more bags of apples does Maria need to buy in order to make a total of 6 pies? And it's asking how many more bags of apples does Maria need? And show your work and explain your answer. And that's the second part of the question. Okay. I'm going to start out by underlining this stuff under here. It says she bought 3 bags of apples, and each bag has 12 apples. Is there anybody that can tell me what you do to solve this first part of this problem? We'll have Andre. 12 times 3. Now why did you do... And it's 36. That's pretty good. Now why did you do that? Just tell me why you did that. In each bag. That's perfect. Okay. So then it says she needs 8 apples to make each pie. Okay, now look at the first question here. I'm going to stick with Andre on this. And it says, what is the greatest number of pies Maria can make? Show your work and explain your answer. Now what would I do, Andre? Say it nice and loud.
36 divided by
36, okay, divided by 8. Now why did you do that? And she has 8. She needs 8 in each one. So, can someone tell me what 8 into 36 is? Someone? You. 4, right? And we got the 32 right there. And it's a remainder 4, right? 4, remainder 4. Okay, so look. The first question, it says, what is the greatest number of pies Maria can make? So she can make how many pies? Everybody just tell me. 4 pies. Okay, now look. She has 4 pies left over, right? Okay, so I'm going to move on to the second part. It says, how many more bags of apples does Maria need to buy in order to make a total of 6 pies? Okay, so I'm going to write this over here. She has 4 plus some number, and she's going to make a total of 6 pies. Okay? Now, they want you to show your work. I know that you guys know it's, probably you're going to say 2 to get up there, but there's a little bit more that you need to kind of show here to show your work. You have to ask yourself, okay? She has 4 left over right here. Now, you have to ask yourself, this is the important part of the question, is you got to say in your little brains, what if I put in, what if she bought 1 bag of 12, right? You have 12 apples in each bag. So you say to yourself, well, what happens if she bought 1 bag? So I say, all right, she bought 1 bag, okay? And then she has the 4 left over right here. The 4's left over, so I'm going to go 4 plus 12 equals what?
16.
Call it out. That's good because we're running out of time anyway. So it equals 16. So how many pies can she get out of that 16? Paige.
She can get 2 pies.
Why 2 pies?
8 times 2 is 16.
Or you could divide it by 2. 2 pies, and that equals 8. And that's good enough to make the 8 apples that make each pie. So how many bags does she need to buy in order to make the 6 pies total? Someone from this side. Anybody? You guys are all tired? All right, go ahead.
8 bags and 1 bag?
No, not 4 bags.
I said 1 bag.
Oh, you said 1 bag. Oh, okay. Yes, it's 1 bag of 12 apples, and that will give you the 2. You break that 16 down into 2, and the answer is 1 bag. Okay, you get that? She buys the bag of 12. She has 4 left over. That equals 16. And then you can break that down into 2 pies by dividing 16 by 2, and that equals 8. And that's all of that. And this will be online. And just remember, do not go outside the lines. Do not go outside these lines. And that is it. The most important part of this question is saying to yourself in your little heads, what if she bought one bag? A lot of these problems are like that. It's like what you guys will do with the problem to say, what am I going to do to this problem to come up with the answer? Okay, and that's it. And this will be online.